I'm Hart Massey. I'm the program director for the Acting for Film, TV, Theater program. What we wanted to do tonight is share something that we put together every term 5. So this is the term 5 play. They've been working on this show for 3 months, and this is a collection of what they've been doing as part of their major course in term 5. What the group and the director decided to put on is Animal Farm.
I think what helps a lot of us is the trust that we have in the room, or the trust that we have with each other. And a lot of us are close outside of school. We do talk, and I think that relationship does help us riff off of each other or even anticipate what we would do, but also just openness when you come into the room. You can do all the practice you want, but as soon as you get into the room, you have to be open and ready for that connection with your scene partner in order to make the scene happen.
I was in the Navy until last year, and I'd never had any acting experience whatsoever. And the thing that I had to learn that's still tough is to be silly. It's okay. Everybody here is doing the same thing, because when you look at, we were walking around on all fours, barking like dogs and barking like chickens, and I'm sitting there going, I was a leader of men. I had. Leader dogs. If only my commander could look at me now and see me. But it's still anxiety-inducing because I'm a little bit old, not as old, but you know.
I wondered if you could tell me a little bit about the rehearsal process. I mean, was that just a class, or did you all meet afterwards, or how did it work?
It's 19 hours a week and blocked out over 3 days. So like just to clarify, this is a group that's been with us for 12 months when they started on the play. And so every term they're building skills in theater acting, camera acting, voice, and writing and producing and directing.
For those of you who wish to come to TFS, and I put this on the line, explore your art, explore your freedom, explore your choice. That's what we do. I love you all. I look forward to another show in a couple hours. And thank you for coming tonight.